Way back before headphones became a multi-billion dollar industry, the options available for people to buy were rather meager. You mostly had earbuds, a selection of on-ears, predominantly Sennheiser, and professional monitor headphones, and never the thrice should meet. In the past, people were perhaps afraid of professional headphones. They were ugly, had ridiculously long cables, and were harder to find than consumer models. As good as they are, the $199 Beyerdynamic DT770 Studio does little to overcome that stereotyping. They're quite industrial looking, have a 3-meter long cable, and are only available from the Guitar Center and other online music stores. All of this is a shame, because the Beyerdynamics are actually more suited to everyday use than the company's own consumer-focused version of the DT770 Pro. While other fantastic monitor headphones have crossed over to the mainstream, Audio-Technica's ATHEM50X being the prime example, the DT770 Studio remains firmly in the Pro category. The DT770 Studio is an 80 ohm variant of the DT770 Pro, which itself comes in a number of different flavors, including the aforementioned 32 ohm, easier to power, personal version, which is also $199. That 32 ohm model also has different earpads. They're forks leather, and a bit of step down from the softer, more comfortable velour pads on this model. The DT770 headphones make their professional use origins known, from the rigid plastic cups to the padded headband and snaking internal cables. The headphones feel solid, while also remaining lightweight and offering a luxurious fit. The ear cups are a soft grey plush material, which also adds a level of comfort. The headphones offer an 80 ohm impedance and a pair of 45mm drivers. The headphones are a closed design, which means they are well suited to their original audio monitoring purpose, but also offer decent isolation for on the go. That is, if you can find somewhere to stow the 3 meter, 10 feet, non-removable cable.